Greetings of this auspicious festival. May Goddess Lakshmi shower her finest blessings on you and your family. Wishing you all a very happy Dashara.
Papa, what are you going to teach today?
Sagar, explaining one more method to find the square of the number.
How many methods Vedic maths has got, Papa?
No, Sagar, today what I am going to explain is not really from Vedic maths. This method I have not come across anywhere in my studies related to Vedic maths. And another important aspect is even if we say it or not, actually Vedic math follows one or the other sutra or the sub sutra derived from Atharveda that we have studied during our introduction to Vedic maths. I don't see any of them here. The method I am going to explain today is from the book Secrets of Mental Math, written by Arthur Benjamin and Michael Shermer. Friends, this is one of the best books for the mathematics lovers. This has got many interesting concepts related to mental maths which you would love to know. If interested, please comment with your email ID or the WhatsApp number so that I can share the PDF version of it. Sagar, this is one more simplest method to find square of the number. I could not resist myself to explaining this one. In this method, first identify the nearest round number for which you want to find the square. In the step 2, find the positive and negative difference values and their product. Next, find the square of the difference number. Adding values of step 2 and step 3 will give us the answer.
Papa, supply examples, no?
Okay, Sagar. Let us find the square of 46. 46 we can either round off to 50 or round down to 40. Here I am rounding off to 50. Here difference is plus 4 because 50 is 4 more than 46. In the second step, we need to identify the numbers with the positive and negative difference values and should find their product. Positive difference is 50. Therefore, negative difference is 46 minus 4 is equal to 42. So, their product is 50 into 42 is equal to 2100. Next step is finding the square of the difference value. It is 4 square is equal to 16. Now, if we add 2100 and 16, we get the answer. Therefore, 46 square is 2116. We shall see another example here. We will find the square of 87. Nearest round of value for 87 is 90. If we want, we can round off to 100, which makes calculation still easier. Here I go with the 90. So negative difference value is 87 minus 3 is equal to 84. And the product of the difference numbers is 90 into 84 is equal to 7560. Next, square of the difference value is 3 square is equal to 9. Adding 7560 and 9 gives the answer. And hence 87 square is equal to 7569. Now let us try to find square of a number with 3 digits. Let it be 507. When we are finding a square of 3 digits, we go with rounding up to hundreds. So 507 rounded to 500 and its positive difference number would be 507 plus 7 is equal to 514. Product of 500 and 514 is 2,57,000 and the difference square is 7 square 49. So 507 square is equal to 2,57,049. Now we'll see square of 173, which is more difficult to find. Near round of number to hundreds is 200 and its negative difference number is 173 minus 27 is equal to 146. So their product is 200 into 146 is equal to 29,200. Next, square of the difference number is 27 square. If we know it, it is good. Else, we follow the same system to find square of 27. 27 is near 30 with a difference 3. So its negative difference is 24. Product of difference values is 30 into 24 is equal to 720, and square of the difference is 3 square is equal to 9. So 27 square is 720 plus 9 is equal to 729. So our final answer is for 173 square is 29,200 plus 729, which is equal to 29,929. Now let us see the working concept in this method. This method is based on one of the very astonishing number pattern which most of us may not be thought of. Observe this table carefully. In the table, first two columns are the numbers which are added up to give 20, like 10 and 10, 9 and 11, 8 and 12, and so on. Let column 1 be A and column 2 be B. Column 3 C be the distance of A and B from 10. This we get subtracting either A from 10 or subtracting 10 from B. Column 4b D, which is the product of A and B, that is 10 into 10 equal to 100, 9 into 11 equal to 99, 8 into 12 equal to 96, and so on to 2 into 18 equal to 36 and 1 into 19 equal to 19. Column 5 EB C square, that is 0 square equal to 0, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, and so on to 8 square 64, 9 square 81. And last column 6 P F equal to 100 minus product of A and B, that is F equal to 100 minus D, that is 100 minus 100 equal to 0, 100 minus 99 equal to 1, 100 minus 96 equal to 4, and so on to 100 minus 36 is equal to 64 and 100 minus 19 is equal to 81. Friends, when we observe carefully, we get to know that the interesting pattern in the numbers that column 5 and column 6 values are same. E is equal to F. This interesting number pattern observed by author Arthur Benjamin while traveling by bus resulted in finding this simple method to find the square of the number. Let us try to find square of 14. First we will see with the difference 1 from 14. Positive and negative numbers from 14 with the difference 1 are 15 and 13. Product of 15 and 13 is 195. Difference 1 square is 1. Adding 195 and 1, we get 196 as 14 square. Now let us see with the difference as 2. Then positive and negative difference values are 14 and 12 and their product is 192. When it is added to difference square, that is 2 square equals to 4, it gives 192 plus 4 is equal to 196. If we see with a difference 3, then product of the difference numbers from 14 will be 17 into 11 is equal to 187. Our answer will be 196 when it is added to 3 square 9. Now let us see with the difference 4. Positive and negative difference numbers will be 18 and 10 and their product is 180. Adding it to 4 square 16, we get 180 plus 16 is equal to 196. So whatever the number with the difference we are considering, we are arriving into the same answer. Of all four, fourth one will be the much easier as we are trying to find the product of numbers in which one of the number being round value, which makes calculations much simpler and faster. Friends, hope you enjoyed learning something new and interesting mathematics. Thank you for your valuable time in watching this video. Subscribe to our channel if not already. Comment with your WhatsApp number or email ID if you wish to have the PDF version of this book from where this method is being taken. Also may comment with your opinion, give a like and spread it among your beloved mathematics lovers. Thank you all.